Wood is naturally beautiful. We love its warmth, its grain, and its unique character. Each piece of wood tells a story, with its unique patterns and textures formed over years of growth. But raw wood needs protection. Without it, wood can deteriorate, losing its charm and structural integrity over time. That's where finishes come in. They act as a shield, preserving the wood's natural beauty while enhancing its durability. Finishes highlight the wood's beauty. They bring out the depth of the grain, the richness of the color, and the overall aesthetic appeal. They also make it last longer. A good finish can protect wood from moisture, UV rays, and everyday wear and tear. From furniture to floors, the right finish makes all the difference. It can transform a simple piece of wood into a work of art. There are many wood finishes out there. Each type offers different levels of protection and aesthetic qualities. Each has its own pros and cons. Some finishes are easier to apply, while others offer more durability or a different look. One popular choice is lacquer. It's known for its quick drying time and high gloss finish. Lacquer offers a classic look and durable protection. It can make wood surfaces look sleek and polished. In this essay, we'll explore the world of lacquer wood finishes. We'll delve into its application process and the results it can achieve. We'll look at their benefits, drawbacks, and best uses. Understanding these can help you make informed decisions for your projects. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, understanding lacquer can help you achieve stunning results in your projects. Let's dive in and discover the transformative power of lacquer finishes. So, what exactly is lacquer? Lacquer is a type of coating. It's made from dissolved nitrocellulose and other resins. These are mixed in a solvent, usually a type of alcohol. When applied to wood, the solvent evaporates. This leaves behind a hard, protective film. Lacquer has been around for centuries. It was originally used in Asia. Think beautiful lacquered boxes and furniture. Today, lacquer is still popular. It's prized for its fast drying time and high gloss finish. Lacquer comes in different sheens. From high gloss to satin, there's a lacquer for every project. It can be sprayed on or brushed on. Spraying gives a smoother finish, especially for large surfaces. Lacquer has many advantages that make it a standout choice in the world of woodworking. These benefits make it a popular choice for both professionals and DIYers alike, who seek quality and efficiency in their projects. One of the most notable features of lacquer is its fast drying time. Lacquer dries incredibly fast compared to other finishes. This quick drying time means you can apply multiple coats in a short period, allowing for a smoother and more polished finish. This efficiency speeds up your project timeline significantly and saves you valuable time, making it ideal for both small and large projects. Another key advantage is the high gloss finish that lacquer provides. Lacquer is renowned for its beautiful sheen and reflective quality. It can give your wood a deep, rich luster that enhances its visual appeal, making it look more luxurious and well-crafted. This finish not only enhances the natural grain and color of the wood, but also adds depth and dimension to the overall appearance. Durability is another significant benefit. Lacquer forms a hard, protective layer over the wood surface. This protective layer is resistant to scratches, moisture, and heat, ensuring that your wood remains in excellent condition for a long time. This makes lacquer an excellent choice for furniture, especially tabletops that are prone to wear and tear. These advantages make lacquer a go-to choice for many woodworking projects, from small DIY crafts to large-scale professional furniture making. However, it's important to also consider its drawbacks, such as the need for proper ventilation during application and the potential for yellowing over time. While lacquer has many benefits, it also has some disadvantages. Ventilation is key. Lacquer releases strong fumes as it dries. These fumes can be harmful if inhaled. Always use lacquer in a well-ventilated area. Wear a respirator mask to protect yourself. Toxicity concerns. Lacquer contains solvents that can be toxic. Avoid skin contact. Wear gloves when applying lacquer. Clean up any spills immediately. Multiple coats needed. Lacquer is typically applied in thin coats. You'll need several coats to achieve a durable and even finish. This can be time-consuming, especially for large projects. It's crucial to weigh these drawbacks before using lacquer. Lacquer is a versatile finish, but it really shines in certain applications. For instance, lacquer is a popular choice for furniture, especially tables and chairs. Its durability and moisture resistance make it ideal for surfaces that see a lot of use. Another great application is in musical instruments, like guitars and pianos. Its ability to enhance the natural beauty of wood, combined with its protective qualities, makes it a perfect fit. And let's not forget decorative items. Lacquer is a great choice for small decorative items like boxes, bowls, and vases. Its high-gloss finish adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. For these applications, lacquer's benefits often outweigh its drawbacks. Making the choice, lacquer versus the rest. With so many wood finishes available, how do you know if lacquer is the right choice for your project? Here's a quick guide. Choose lacquer for projects that require a durable, moisture-resistant, and high-gloss finish. Consider alternatives for projects that are very large, require low odor, or are best suited for outdoor use. Remember, the best finish is the one that meets the specific needs of your project and your working environment. Safety first. Handling lacquer with care. Working with lacquer requires caution. Always prioritize safety. Ventilation. Always work in a well-ventilated area. Use fans to circulate air. Wear a respirator mask to protect yourself from fumes. Skin and eye protection. Wear gloves to prevent skin contact. Safety glasses will protect your eyes from splashes. Fire hazard. Lacquer is flammable. Keep it away from heat sources and open flames. Store lacquer properly in a cool, dry place. By following these safety precautions, you can minimize the risks associated with using lacquer. A word on alternatives, exploring other options. When it comes to woodworking, the finish you choose can make a significant difference in the final appearance and durability of your project. If lacquer's drawbacks are a concern, there are other wood finishes to consider. Each type of finish has its own unique properties and benefits, catering to different needs and preferences. Water-based polyurethane. This is a durable and low-odor option. It's particularly popular for its ease of use and quick drying time, making it a favorite among both amateur and professional woodworkers. It's easier to apply than lacquer and doesn't require special ventilation. This makes it an excellent choice for indoor projects where ventilation might be an issue. Tung oil. This natural oil penetrates the wood, providing a beautiful and durable finish. It's derived from the seeds of the tung tree and has been used for centuries in woodworking. It's a good choice for projects that require a natural look and feel. The finish it provides is warm and rich, enhancing the natural grain of the wood. Wax. Wax provides a low luster finish that's easy to apply and maintain. It's a traditional finish that offers a soft, natural sheen and can be reapplied as needed. It's a good choice for furniture and other surfaces that don't require a high-gloss sheen. Wax finishes are also great for pieces that will see a lot of handling, as they can be easily touched up. Talk to your local paint supplier. They have a wealth of knowledge and can provide valuable advice tailored to your specific project needs. They can help you choose the best finish for your next woodworking project. Whether you're looking for durability, ease of application, or a specific aesthetic, there's a wood finish out there that's perfect for you. Conclusion. Lacquer's place in your workshop. Lacquer remains a popular choice for woodworkers of all skill levels. Its ability to enhance the natural beauty of wood, combined with its durability and fast drying time, makes it a versatile and rewarding finish to work with. By understanding lacquer's pros and cons, and by following proper safety precautions, you can achieve professional-looking results in your woodworking projects. Whether you're finishing a piece of furniture, a musical instrument, or a decorative item, lacquer can help you create a lasting impression.